Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we're gonna be doing another upgrade, another mod to the truck. I had to take a break from this thing because I was trying to be a welder, all that good shit. I cut my finger. Like, I picked up a grinder, I didn't cut my finger off. So we gotta take a break from this. I can't really mess with it with one hand, so we gonna leave it alone for a little while. But in the meantime, another package came in for the truck. Muffler, BlackWidow exhaust. I've never heard this exhaust. I've never seen it on anybody's car. I don't know. I don't have any expectations. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but from the sound clips and everything I've heard on YouTube, they sound pretty good. Now, I got the Venom 250 series, which is like the middle of their lineup. They got things that are louder, like a cherry bomb style muffler or whatever. And I want, the aggressive sound. I want it to be a little bit loud, but here's the thing. Every clip I've seen, everyone had, they all had cats. They all had like regular manifolds. Nobody had long tubes. Nobody was like straight piped or anything like that. My truck is, my truck has long tubes down to 3 or 3.5 inch, I think, piping straight back, and it dumps at about behind the cab or whatever. So I expect my truck to be a lot louder than the clips that I heard on YouTube. So yeah, like I said, we got long tubes down to a single 3 inch or 3.5 inch pipe. I can't remember. I'm gonna cut it like right in the middle somewhere and go ahead and add this muffler in, and we're gonna start it up, see what it sounds like. Here is a cold start, kind of cold start. It's the summer, it's been sitting overnight, so I guess we could say cold start clip of the truck starting up. Now this is long tubes down to the straight pipe, 3 inch or 3.5 inch, whatever it is or whatever. So here we go. Alright, that was alright, right? That was pretty loud. I think with the rev, man, it sounded good. I would love to leave it like that, but truth be told, I do all city driving. I'm never on the E-way, and it's kind of annoying listening to that exhaust all day. It's a little bit too loud for me or whatever. So that's why I went with the Venom 250. I think it's like in the middle range or whatever. It should quiet it down a little bit. If nothing else, at least it'll give it a more, like, more of a tone or something like that. I don't know. I really, like I said, I don't have any expectations. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what this should sound like, but a little bit of reference. This pipe is pretty much straight through. There's like little baffles on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's pretty much exactly how the design looks. So like how it has this V, that's all that's in there. You got it pretty much straight through, and then there's this V here and another there. So I don't know, maybe it'll give it a different tone if anything, but I don't expect it to quiet down too much. So here we go. Almost dropped you, but I figured I'd get a little look up under to see, let you all see what it looks like before I start cutting it up. So here it is. I think I'm gonna put it like right here. I think I'm gonna cut about here and here and just put the muffler in there. But yeah, right now it's just straight pipe dumping well before the axle. And if I can get up here to the front, I don't think I can. Let's see. Yeah, you can see there are long tube headers. I don't know, but let's get started. All right, the muffler's all up there and buttoned up. Let me show you guys what the finished product is. Pay me no mind with that little terrible tech, but it was just to hold it in while I take it to a muffler shop or something. My welder is not going to give enough current through that raggedy extension cord to really weld it, so just had to throw something up there just to hold it in place. But yeah, everything's in, nothing's hidden. I had issues with this pipe contacting this cross member, like the draft shaft cross member or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's good now. It's not touching or anything now. So yeah, everything seems steady now. So yeah, I'm gonna take it up to the shop now and let them finish weld it in. Or I was thinking about getting those clamps just in case, like let's say it doesn't sound good or something, I want to change it out. I can just take the clamps off, I don't have to worry about cutting the pipe again. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Let's see what it sounds like in the meantime. Bad. It kind of, like I said, it didn't. I don't think it made it any more quiet, but it's a big truck, so I guess it could be loud without looking like a ricer or something, making a whole lot of noise and not going anywhere. But it sounds good. Like I like the way it sounds. It got a little crackle and pop or whatever in there with the high RPMs, but like I said, it didn't quiet it down at all. So I got to get like some real driving sound clips or whatever to see what it really sounded like and see if I can live with it. Because honestly, it was way too loud before. So hopefully it quieted down a little bit. Like that's all I wanted. I just wanted it to quiet down a little bit. But regardless, it sounded good. I think it sounded good. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get some drive-by footage, like some driving by sound clips or whatever later if possible. But yeah, we'll see. That'll be the next clip. If it don't happen in the next clip, I mean I couldn't get them. But for right now, she's breathing. See if I can. Whatever, man. You see it. It's in there. It's good. Scratch bar real. Oh, that was close.